Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with our Z7 Ultra Smartwatch, a Watch 7 Ultra clone device. And on this video, we are going to explore more on the different features of the Z7 Ultra Smartwatch, specifically the health monitoring function. So we are going to focus on the heart rate and of course the blood oxygen, and we will compare the results with our Huawei Band 9. Plus we will also check the details here on the support app, the Lifan support app, Lifan Health support app. So if you have any questions regarding the video demo, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so let's begin and check on the health monitoring function of the Z7 Ultra Smartwatch. So we have here the heart rate and the blood oxygen. We also have here the blood pressure monitoring. But we are going to focus more on the heart rate and blood oxygen. So we can compare it with our Huawei Band 9. Is the result okay? Is the result accurate? Or at least close to accurate? Let's see. Okay, so we have here the heart rate. Okay, so let's see. Beats per minute. So we do have some animations here. We have highs and lows. But we'll see. So taking some time. We have 80 beats per minute. 71, 74, 69. So the highest is 80, the lowest is 69. 76, 66, and we have 77. Okay, let's see if we do have a random result or somewhat similar to the high-end fitness tracker or smartwatches. Okay, let's see. It's now checking. So we have 79, 76, 75, 71, the same. It jumps to 72. As you can see here, we have 78, 79, and 70 only. 74. Okay, so it seems like it's not it's very far. The result is very far from our Huawei Band 9. Okay, again, it's not even closer. Okay, even its high result is not that close to our Huawei Band 9 here. So we have 83. As you can see, 72, 79. Then it drops to 65. Okay, seems like it's a fake sensor, I think. If it's a fake sensor, I will be very disappointed with this Z7 Ultra Smartwatch. Okay, I don't think that the result from 79 will drop to 69 right away. But anyway, let's see. Heart rate. As you can see here, it's checking. Let's see if we'll have a result. If it will show a result, it clearly shows that it is just a random number for our Z7 Ultra Smartwatch. And obviously, as you can see here, it's just an animation and a random number. Okay, so if you are planning to get this just because you want to check your heart rate, I'm sorry to disappoint you. It's all fake, I think. Again, so beats per minute. I think it's the same also with a blood oxygen monitoring. As you can see here, just giving us random numbers or beats per minute. So there's no sense of checking it and comparing it with other fitness tracker. It's fake. Next, blood oxygen. If the heart rate monitoring is fake, there's a big possibility that the SpO2 is also fake. So let's see. As you can see here, it is providing us details or results even though we are not wearing it. So meaning this is just a random or random number or animated number here. Okay, these are all fake data. Okay, so that's it for our heart rate monitoring and blood oxygen. The same with the blood pressure. It will be just a waste of time if we check it, as the heart rate and blood oxygen is already just the random numbers. A fake sensor for our Z7 Ultra Smartwatch. I hope we answered your queries regarding the sensor for the Z7 Ultra, if it's accurate or not. Okay, for me, I think it's fake. It's all just a random results. Okay, so if you are planning to get this just because of the heart rate, I'd advise you not to. But if you want to get this just to receive a notification, because the notification for this one works, as well as the Bluetooth call, I think it's okay. And of course, if you want some time, if you want to have a watch with the time, I guess this is okay. Okay, so that's it for our video review of the health monitoring function of the Z7 Ultra Smartwatch. Bye.